Next tool is vector crop tool. It's for cropping image, document, everything without deleting them. Okay, you can crop them. For example, I insert and star here, for example, and make color changing, or insert, for example, this image here, and it's in your document. And for example, you want to hide this part of my logo. You simply click your image and then vector crop tool. That's easy. It does not have any special setting, just these handles. And with these handles, you can remove your image or part of your object without deleting them. You can see it's actually a simple clipping mask. And if you go to that, you can see you cut that part of your object. But for bringing your object back, you can come here and delete that mask. And again, if you want to cut it, you can go to the crop tool and cut anywhere, anything of your object. This is an image. This is an vector or whole object, for example, from here. Okay. Can we click and drag? You can see because it's locked, it's automatically selected and cropped all individual part of your document. Okay, and this is actually a mask, and you can remove them by clicking this mask and